So I made a mistake with this plant, and I wound up checking the ppm and realizing that the ppm was too high, and also too, when I changed the water, I didn't plug this back up. So I wanted to come in and talk about the stress that it put on this plant. There is a lot of buds here, and this plant is too small to be budding. Uh, just to give you a reference of how tiny this plant is, you see that it's not even the height of a Sharpie, and that is too small for this plant to be budding. Is no way in a condition to hold or support a cucumber, you know. So I immediately changed the water back when I realized that the ppm was too high. And what I'm going to do is go in here, and I'm actually going to cut off all of these buds because it's a lot of them, and this one has a tiny baby cucumber under it. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. That's a little tiny cucumber. That's a no, you know. So we're gonna go in and just snip. Oh, there's a lot of them. I'm not ready for them to do that. I want these plants to vine, and I'm gonna watch it for 2 weeks, and then if not, I am gonna start over because I messed this one up thoroughly. And I'm not sure how I did it either. I don't know if I picked up the wrong solution. I don't know what I did. So all these little baby cucumbers, they finna get off there. And it's a lot of them. Like, it's lots of them, loads. See that? I'm trying to put them so y'all can see them on this camera. So everywhere I see a little bud, and y'all, they are everywhere. Ooh-wee. I put some undue stress on this plant. And she only 33 days old. She should be taller and not budding. And if not, I want to see if I can signal her to focus. On vining and not so much on all of this budding that she's doing. So everywhere I see a little fuzzy in this plant, everywhere, I'm pulling it off. All right. I want no confusion. And they are strong cucumber smell too. So yeah, I'm pulling all of these little buds off. Yeah, okay. So it looks like I got all of them off that I can get off of there. And then I'm gonna go ahead on and take these burnt leaves off of these where they got the tip burn on them. And there was should have been my first sign to check the ppm, but I thought it was calcium or magnesium, and it wasn't. So let's see if we can course correct this plant. Make sure ain't no buds here, there. All right, y'all see how I did that? That's a tiny one right there. Get off of there. And took the buds off. Let's replace that foil back around there to keep that algae down. It don't have any, so we don't want it to start getting any and bunch it up. And let's watch this plant for the next week or two and see what we and see if we can get it to grow taller.